In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel friend request on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to Friends. Tap right here at See All. After that, tap at three dots and then select View Sent Requests. That will show you all your sent friend requests that are sorted in chronological order, so we can scroll down to check them all, and if we would like to cancel one, all we have to do is just tap at Cancel. That's how you can easily cancel friend request on Facebook.